Hi guys, this is Chantel. Today I'm going to be taking you along with me. I have a lot of things to button up on our property, and I thought it would be maybe nice to take you along with me to see what kind of things we need to work on, and also I kind of want to know how long it takes me to accomplish a certain task, because I want to be better about time management when it comes to working outside, because I have a lot of things. Sorry, maybe he's shaking the camera because there are a lot of projects that need to be done and I only have a certain amount of time to do them, and so I want to make sure to do the things that I need to do in the proper time that I need to do them, and the proper order that I need to do them. So by figuring out sort of how long each task would take me would help me to prioritize and to better prioritize, I should say, and figure out how long it would take me to accomplish all the things that I need to accomplish in a certain season, because there are things that need to be done during that season. So a couple days ago I started filming this video, and my toddler woke up, and I actually didn't time myself because I was thinking about filming a sort of a different video for you guys, but I will still include that clip in here because it kind of correlates with what I want to show you, kind of with the work that goes around in here. It's I guess you could call it a day in the life, but it's not really a day in the life. It's just maybe an hour or so in the life of a gardener, but more importantly, it is just the work that has to be done again during the fall, before the winter comes, and the time management issue, because I feel like I don't know about you guys, but I struggle in time management and I need to be better about that. And right now my toddler is with me, so she's gonna make things a little bit more difficult, but that's okay, because no way and no there is no time where things go perfectly ever. There's always some interruption or something that goes wrong, or if I'm pulling something out of the ground, just it would be too difficult to pull it out or whatever. There are always things that come either in the way or make things a little bit more difficult, or make things take a little more time. So during the time management things, the things that I'm trying to set up in my mindset is that to leave a buffer for things to go wrong, sort of, if you want to say it that way. So right now I'm going to be showing you, the first thing is I'm going to be showing you the clip that I filmed 2 days ago, and for 2 days in a row it has been raining. Today it's just misty fog. Hopefully that's not going to damage the camera. Yesterday it was just rain the whole day. So I will show you that clip first, and then we are going to go to finally the strip between us and our neighbors, and I'm going to be working on that, and hopefully I can get to clean up most of it. The goal behind that is, if I can get to it this fall, and that's again another time management issue, if I can get to it this fall, is what I would like to do is to rip up all the landscaping fabric that's over there and spread seeds for wildflowers, so that when the next season comes, I will be able to just... Yes, baby. Okay, so when the next season comes, I'll just be able to rip up those flowering annuals, and after they have flowered and after I'm able to get to them, and I won't feel bad that, you know, the area is just kind of going on its own, because it will at least look sort of beautiful. So I will rip those out and I'll start implementing my plan for that area, and I have a whole plan for it drawn out, and not measured necessarily, but kind of and you know, as a figure of speech, or figure of drawing, if you want to say. Alright, so enough talking, let's go ahead and show you that clip, and then we're gonna head to between us and the neighbors and clean that up and see how long it's gonna take us. So after my injury with my foot, I sort of let this area go because I had a lot of other things that I needed to do, and I wasn't able to get to this. Now I am, after a lot of things have been sort of buttoned up, and I'm gonna go ahead and weed this area and clean it up. I have big plans for this area. I've had them, I think, for many years now, almost since the time we moved in here. So that would be 7 years, almost, not quite. I mean, we have been here for 7 years, but the plans have been developing for almost 7 years. So this whole area is going to be changing. I'm now going to clean it. I'm not going to do anything with it because I'm preparing a different area in the garden where I'm going to be probably transplanting some of the plants that are in here into those areas so that I can redo this area. But I'm not going to be transplanting anything this year from here. That could happen next year, maybe the year after. I'm not sure, depending on when those areas would be ready for it. You see that rose right there? This is where I had all my roses planted that I transplanted into the new garden, and apparently some of them had a root left in here, so it sprouted and it started making roses, and it's still blooming with the frost and everything. So I'm going to transplant this one, maybe not today. If I get to it today, I will. I guess I lied when I said I'm not going to transplant anything this year. I might transplant this thing and plant it next to the other roses that I have in the new flower garden in the backyard where the patio area is going to be. I guess I gained another rose, which I was thinking, I don't feel like the 3 roses that I planted in there are enough. I felt like they didn't complete the look that I wanted them to do, and I think this is going to help because that's another rose. So this is the mess that we are going to tackle right now, and I'm going to start us with a timer or a stopwatch. So I'm going to start my stopwatch and see how long it's going to take to start cleaning this area. I doubt I'm going to be able to do much, but we'll see. There we go. Okay, I don't know guys what you can see and what you can't see. I'm trying to shine a light with my flashlight, but I can't. But basically, there's the grass over there, and you can see all this area. I cleaned it up to here, and if I go back, maybe you guys can see more. It's super foggy and it's getting dark. Hold on, sweetie. So I still have all that to clean up. So in 53 minutes I was able to clean this up, and I guess that's not bad. So if I take it 1 hour at a time, I can clean about this much of a section, and maybe, I guess that would take me, let's see, 4 days to clean, if I can do 1 hour a day. So that's not bad at all. Alright, so it's getting really dark. Time management wise, I learned something, and some of the roots were really hard to get out, and there's also a lot of gravel in there, and there's a landscaping fabric in there that we didn't put any of this stuff out. I mean, there were trees in here and poison ivy and all that stuff, and we've been working on this area, or I've been working on this area for several years now. And next, after I take everything out, would be to take the take the gravel out, then take the landscaping fabric out, which I probably would have to pull out a lot of the plants, and I'm not going to save any of the plants. I'm just going to toss them because they're not my favorite. I know it's getting dark, so sorry guys for the light. I know you can't see me very well. So I guess that's one new thing learned from me again. So I want to thank you guys so much for watching, and if you are new here, please don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the bell to receive notifications of whenever I upload new videos. And if you like this video, hit the like button. And I can't say this any faster than this. And I will be leaving a video right here of how I transformed our entryway to our driveway, and you can go ahead and check that out. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you again next time. Bye.